In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your bathroom remodel with ChatGPT. 2026 Full Guide. We'll start by grounding your project in real dimensions so the ideas you get are buildable. In the chat window, click the plus icon to the left of the prompt box, choose Add Photos and Files, and upload clear smartphone photos of your current bathroom, any hand-drawn layouts with measurements, or professional blueprints. In your message, use Shift plus Enter to separate your background details. Then paste a focused brief like, act as a principal interior architect, master spatial planner, and licensed plumbing contractor. Analyze these images and layout dimensions. Identify existing wet wall plumbing boundaries. I want a full remodel without moving major drain lines. Outline 3 functional design aesthetics for this footprint. Do not generate images yet. This gives ChatGPT the constraints it needs to stay realistic and cost-aware from the start. Next, keep planning tidy with Canvas mode. Type Canvas and ask to open a renovation canvas. Request a comprehensive material schedule and fixture log for your chosen theme, formatted into 5 columns: fixture or material type, target finish, brand or style guide, dimensions, and estimated cost tier. Your screen will split with chat on the left and an editable document on the right, so you can keep conversation and specifications side by side. With your schedule loaded, iterate directly in the canvas. Highlight a vanity, row, or shower tile line. Click the Ask ChatGPT comment bubble and specify changes like replace the standard porcelain white tile with floor-to-ceiling textured beige travertine laid horizontally, and swap the vanity for a floating natural white oak option with a seamless stone vessel sink. In the bottom right tool menu, use Adjust Length to compress long briefs into job-ready checklists, and set tone to professional and direct to tighten language with accurate construction terms, such as waterproofing membranes, thin-set mortars, and uncoupling underlayments. When you're ready to visualize, return to the left chat panel and reference your canvas. Ask for a photorealistic, ultra-wide 16:9 render, featuring your specified travertine floating oak vanity and a freestanding matte white soaking tub, lit by soft morning light through a frosted window. Request native 4K output for crisp detail. If the render is close, but not perfect, open it full screen, click the In Painting brush, mask the faucets or sconces, and instruct, change these to unlacquered satin brass while keeping stone textures and water highlights consistent. Submit to update just that area. Before you build, run a safety pass. Ask ChatGPT, acting as a master tile installer and home inspector, to flag shower pan waterproofing risks. Provide a leak check checklist and drying times before thin set. If any prompt breaks your flow, use the version history clock in Canvas to restore earlier drafts. For fast inspiration, use quick reference prompts. Quiet Luxury Spa favors floating elements, hidden drains, and seamless stone. Biophilic Haven integrates low iron glass, timber, and lush planting. Sleek Industrial leans on exposed frameworks and concrete. Each can be rendered as a native 4K image with lighting tuned to your style. And that's it. Pair your real measurements with organized Canvas schedules and precise GPT images edits to de-risk decisions and bring your